Today we are going to learn about mastering Python virtual environments with Conda. You'll discover how to set up and manage Python virtual environments, ensuring efficient dependency management and reproducibility in your projects. Welcome to our session on mastering Python virtual environments with Conda. In this video, we'll explore what Conda is and why it stands out as a tool for managing Python environments. We'll discuss the importance of virtual environments and how Conda simplifies dependency management while promoting project reproducibility. This introduction will set the stage for the skills you'll gain, including creating, managing, and troubleshooting Conda environments.
Let's start by installing Conda. Conda comes bundled with Anaconda, a popular Python distribution. First, visit the Anaconda website and download the installer suitable for your operating system Windows, macOS, or Linux. For Windows, run the installer and follow the prompts, ensuring you add Anaconda to your path. On macOS, open the terminal and execute the downloaded pkg file. For Linux, open a terminal, navigate to the downloaded sh file, and execute it with bash. After installation, verify it by opening a terminal and typing Conda version. You should see the version number, confirming Conda is installed correctly.
Once Conda is installed, setting up a virtual environment is straightforward. To create a new environment, use the command conda create name myaf python equals 3.8, replacing myaf with your desired environment name and 3.8 with your preferred Python version. This command sets up a dedicated space for your project with the specified Python version. Next, activate the environment by typing conda activate myaf. You can verify the environment is active by observing the environment name displayed in your terminal prompt. To view a list of all Conda environments, use conda info inv or conda env list.
Activating a Conda environment is crucial to ensure that your project uses the correct dependencies. To activate an environment, simply use the command conda activate myaf. This action sets the terminal to use the Python interpreter and packages within myaf. To deactivate and return to the base environment, type conda deactivate. Switching between environments is seamless, and each activation loads the environment-specific dependencies, ensuring your project runs with the correct configuration. Always activate your environment before running project scripts to avoid conflicts and errors.
Managing dependencies is one of Conda's strong suits. To install a package, use conda install package name. This command fetches the package from default channels or specified ones. To update a package, use conda update package name, and to remove it, use conda remove package name. You can view all installed packages in your environment with conda list. Conda's ability to manage packages extends to using different channels, which are repositories of packages. For instance, to install a package from the Conda Forge channel, use conda install c conda forge package name. This flexibility ensures you can access a wide range of packages tailored to your project needs.
Sharing environment configurations is essential for collaboration and reproducibility. To export your environment's configuration, use conda end export greater than environment.yml. This command generates a YAML file listing all packages and versions in the environment. You can share this file with collaborators to ensure they have the exact setup. To recreate an environment from this file, use conda end create f environment.yml. This command reads the file and installs the specified packages, replicating the original environment. Exporting and importing configurations streamline collaboration and ensure consistency across different setups. Using conda environments within Jupyter Notebooks enhances your workflow by allowing environment-specific configurations. First, ensure Jupyter is installed in your conda environment using conda install Jupyter. Then, create a new Jupyter kernel linked to your environment with Python ipkernel install username equals myaf. This command makes myaf available as a kernel option in Jupyter. When you open a notebook, you can switch to this kernel via the kernel menu. This setup allows your notebooks to run with the exact dependencies specified in the environment, preventing compatibility issues and ensuring consistent results.
While conda simplifies environment management, issues can arise. Common problems include package conflicts, where dependencies clash. To resolve these, use conda install with specific package versions or try conda update all to refresh all packages. Sometimes, environments don't activate properly due to path issues. Ensure your conda installation's bin directory is in your path. If an environment breaks, consider recreating it using the environment.yml file. Conda's error messages often offer clues, so read them carefully to diagnose issues. With practice, troubleshooting becomes an opportunity to deepen your understanding of Conda and Python environments. Adhering to best practices in managing Conda environments enhances productivity and reduces errors. Start by using descriptive names for environments that reflect their purpose, such as data science or web dev. Regularly update your environments to keep packages current and secure, but test changes to ensure compatibility. Document any environment changes in a README file, noting package additions or removals. Avoid installing packages globally to prevent conflicts. Instead, use environments for project-specific dependencies. Finally, regularly back up your environment.yml files to safeguard against data loss, ensuring you can quickly restore environments when needed. In conclusion, mastering Conda environments equips you with vital skills for Python development. We've covered installation, environment setup, activation, dependency management, and troubleshooting. These skills ensure your projects are organized, reproducible, and free from dependency conflicts. I encourage you to practice these techniques in your projects and explore additional resources to deepen your understanding. Thank you for joining this session on Conda environments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and share this video with peers who might benefit. Happy coding with Conda.